All right, let's talk about the big one. Can you actually get FiveM on your Xbox?
I know, so many of you have been asking how to get this mod on your console. Okay, let's just get right to it. The answer is a hard no, but why is super interesting.
So, first things first. For anyone who doesn't know, what even is FiveM?
It's a complete game changer. It lets you create brand new experiences inside GTA 5.
So why can't you just grab it from the Xbox store? What's the deal? Okay, let's walk through it. Picture this, you're on your Xbox home screen right now.
Naturally, you're going to head right over to the Microsoft Store to search for it.
You go ahead and type FiveM into that search bar, expecting it to pop right up. And yeah, you get nothing. 0 results. This isn't a mistake, it's totally intentional. It's all because of a huge, fundamental difference between PCs and consoles. Let's actually compare them side by side. This makes it super clear.
See, on a PC, you have full access to game files. That's absolutely key for modding.
But consoles, they're a locked box. You can only install stuff from their official store.
And here's the thing, FiveM has to get in and actually change GTA 5's game files.
The Xbox operating system is designed specifically to stop that from happening. No exceptions.
They call this a closed ecosystem. It's all about security and keeping things stable.
So to sum it up, it's not about power. It's all about the platform's core design.
The big takeaway here is really simple. It's open systems versus closed systems.
So that leaves us with one final thought. Will consoles ever open up to PC-style modding?